Okay, in this question we are given that machines A, B and C manufacture 25%, 35% and 40% of the bolts, and of their outputs 5%, 4% and 2% are respectively defective bolts. So let me call the event D as bolt is defective. Okay. Now what is given? A bolt is drawn at random from the product. So what is the probability that the bolt is manufactured by machine A? That is probability of A. It is simply 25%, right? Which is 0.25. Similarly, probability of B is 35%, which is 0.35, and probability of C is 40%, which is 0.4. Okay, and we are also given that of their output of machine A, B and C, 5%, 4% and 2% are respectively defective bolts. That means probability of getting a defective bolt from machine A is 5%, which is 0.05, and probability of getting a defective bolt from machine B is 4%, which is 0.04, and probability of getting a defective bolt from machine C is 2%, which is 0.02. Now what it is given? A bolt is drawn at random from the products and is found to be defective. That means we are given that D is true, and then what we have to find? What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? That means we have to find probability of the defective bolt being manufactured by B. Okay, we know by using Bayes' theorem that this can be written as probability of D given B into probability of B divided by probability of D given A into probability of A plus probability of D given B into probability of B plus probability of D given C into probability of C. Fine, because sum of these three covers all the cases of defective bolts. So there is a total probability that I get a defective bolt. Okay, so this is equal to 0.04 into 0.35 divided by 0.05 into 0.25 plus 0.04 into 0.35 plus 0.02 into 0.4. Okay, so now what will this be? What I would like to do is I'll try to reduce the number of decimals. If I take 0.01 common, I'll get 2, 4, 5, and this will be 4. If I am taking 0.01 common from the numerator and denominator, and similarly if I take 0.05 common from the numerator and denominator, I'll get this as 7, because 7 into 0.05 is 0.35. Similarly this will be 5, this will be 7, and this will be 8. So this is equal to 4 into 7 by 5 into 5 plus 4 into 7 plus 2 into 8. This is equal to 28 by 25 plus 28 plus 16, which is equal to 28 by 25 plus 28 is 53. 53 plus 16 is 69. This is our final answer.